Welcome back, everyone. It's the Bourbon Judge. Hey, we're back at it with the brand new Jack Daniel's new release. Yes, Jack Daniel's just changing up as they always do. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this real quick. So when I think about Jack Daniel's, I'm excited to say honestly, I think Jack Daniel's has done a phenomenal job of just truly reinventing themselves. For a brand that's been around, honestly, hundreds of years, they have truly changed the game by continuously reinventing themselves. So this one here, it's a brand new release. It's a distillery only release. It's part of their, I think it's called like their experimental series release. This is release number 14. So I guess the unique thing, you can only get this, fortunately, unfortunately, at the distillery, at Jack Daniel's themselves. But so for me, it's not so much, I'll definitely review this. It's more about, should I, or in this case, you, be on the lookout for new releases coming from Jack Daniel's? Odds are, I would say yes. Honestly, for me, I would say Jack has done a really good job over the last 5-10 years, just reinventing themselves and coming out with brand new releases, different things year after year. So I'm sure this one came out, by the way, I should say. This is the brand new distillery series, Tennessee Straight Rye Whiskey finished in high toast maple barrels. This one came out back in December. So more than likely, it's probably already sold out at the distillery. That's my guess. But again, this is more about whether or not the next time something comes out either at the distillery or a larger release, should you be on the hunt for it. When I think about other releases they had, in the last couple of years, you had the Jack Daniel's 10-year, great. You had the Jack Daniel's 12-year, fantastic. And rumors are they're coming out with a Jack Daniel's, the upgraded version of that one, the 14-year-old. Those are just rumors. It's not out just yet, but we shall see. But Jack, again, is doing a great job. They've also recently, in the last X number of years, started to do a lot of barrel picks with different groups. As an example, myself and my Patron group, we were down in Tennessee a few months ago. We did a barrel pick of their cast strength rye whiskey that'll be coming in very soon. The whiskey just the different options that we had to pick from were just, insane. Absolutely insane. So I'm really excited again about Jack Daniel's as a whole. All right, so Judge, tell me more about this experimental series release number 14. Tell me all the logistics and so forth. All right, so first and foremost, wow, look at that color. Goodness gracious. All right, so first and foremost, it's straight rye whiskey finished in high toast, no char maple barrels. So high toast, no char maple barrels. The mash bill on this one is 70% rye, because it is a rye, obviously 70% rye, 12% malted barley, and 18% corn. All right, cool. All right, let's go ahead and get into the nose real quick. Oh my gosh. Goodness gracious. Wow. So the whiskey, geez, oh my goodness. Damn. That's good. So the whiskey aged like the standard time, which is probably 5-ish years. Then they put it into the secondary barrels, which is the high toast, no char maple barrels, for an additional 3 years. At that point in time, they actually released this originally back in 2022. Got really good reviews when they released it in 2022, and then they kept aging what they had already aged. They kept aging it for even a bit longer for an additional 20 months, which was just released back in December. So total time in barrels, regardless of the original barrels versus secondary barrels, probably in that 9-year range-ish, give or take a few months on either side. So definitely an older age whiskey from that perspective. Look at the legs on that. Oh my gosh, the oil. Oh, goodness gracious. That is beautiful. All right. Let's get into the nose. Oh, man. Take your standard, this one, I think is 107 proof? Yeah. So it's not cask strength, but it's 107 proof. Take your normal Jack Daniel's Tennessee Rye Whiskey nose. Add in some almost like a honey maple syrup kind of a note. With some really good leather built into there as well. Oh man, great leather, great oak notes, a little bit of a maple note. Oh my goodness, the nose itself is amazing. It's a shame it's a distillery only release. Now I will say they only sell these in a 375 milliliter bottle, so the half bottles, $44, so very reasonably priced from a price standpoint. All right, it's time to get into this. The nose is amazing. Hey, real quick, 3 quick easy favors. Number 1, hit the like button. Number 2, drop me a comment. Have you tried this? And then last but not least, please make sure you also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you get notification each and every time I release new content. Cool? All right, here we go. Cheers to you and cheers to Jack Daniel's change it up a little bit. I love it. Holy shit. Excuse my French. That's good. That is amazing. Let me get another sip. Oh my goodness. Oh man. That's so good. That's so sweet. It's peppery. It has everything in the nose. Transfers to the palate. Damn, that's good. I gotta pour a little bit more. You have like that sugary, like almost like a brown sugar kind of a note. Meets the leather. Obviously, you get the spice from the rye. Very pepper forward for 107 proof. Actually has a nice clean finish. It sips right at 107. It's a perfect balance, in my opinion, of sweetness and spice. A perfect balance. It's definitely spicy, but it's spicy meets pepper, and they just kind of come together and they blend so well together. This is flipping fantastic, and I mean fantastic. Goodness gracious. I don't know if we even need a judgment on me, really. I may have given it away already, but let me get another sip just because it's just that special. Wow. Jack Daniels, I gotta call it what it is. You, my friends, are just knocking it out of the park. This, to me, is too gavel good. This is so exceptional, so delicious. I wish this was available across all markets, because it deserves to be available across the U.S., not just only at the distillery. That's probably my only, I guess, point of contention. It's so good. It's so unique. This, to me, is flat out amazing, and is something that everyone should have a chance to enjoy. Hey, friends, until the next time, peace, cheers, salute, cheers to Jack Daniels. Most important, cheers to you. Take care. See you guys.